Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can request access for folders or files on Google Drive. So let's get right into it. Now, of course, the first and main method you're going to want to use is to verbally ask somebody for access. Once you ask them, then they can, if they want to give you access, easily go into the folder or to the file, click Manage Access, and add you through this menu at the top. And that is the most often used method. However, there is a second method which I personally never had work, and I had to contact people in person myself. But if somebody tries to access your folders or files and they don't have access, then they will get a button that says that you need access, you're missing access, with a sort of block on the screen. And then once they do that, what they need to do then is click the button that says request access, and they can also type a message out, and then once they request it, you'll get a message and you'll be able to give them access very easily and very quickly. But that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.